her gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, this is Short Mama 757 coupon. So right now I'm going to see, can I do a beginner friendly type deal? This is gonna be, because I'm not gonna have enough points. I'm using my fiance card, so I'm not gonna have no points or anything. And we're gonna see, can we do this deal? And we basically starting off from the beginning. This is as good as I can get when it comes to a beginner friendly deal. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. Also, I want to mention that this is going to be a budget of at least $20 that we're going to be using, because we don't have no points, no nothing. And I always say that when you're starting off, you need at least $20 to get at least a halfway decent deal when you're starting out. So just go ahead and see what we can do. Okay, so for the first deal, the first transaction, we're using our point booster. Okay, so we're trying to build up points. We're going to pay out of pocket. So what we're going to get 2 of these. Okay, when you buy 2, you get 4,000 in points. This deal is good till June the 29th, so we're gonna grab 2 of those. Okay, so then we're gonna also grab 2 of these. This toothpaste is on sale. When you buy 2, they're 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward. So we're gonna grab 2 of this toothpaste. Okay, so then we're gonna also get this mouthwash. It's not tagged in my store, but it's supposed to be $3.99. When you buy 3, you get 5,000 in points. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Okay, so this is the overview of everything that I got for the first transaction. Don't mind that one looked like it went through something, but anyway. We're gonna use this point booster, the $5. The 5,000 points where you get $20 worth. We're going to use that. We're going to also use our 5 off of 3 for the Colgate mouthwash. Our 4 off of 2 for the Crest toothpaste. And we got $1 digital. I don't have no paper coupons because I use all mine. But we'll use $1 digital that is on the app for the Health Pro. Hopefully attached to that one. Okay. Now. And we also got a 20% off of $20 purchase. Now, after all of that and my point booster, my total should be $10 and like 90-some cents. But I should get back 5,000 points for this, another 5,000 points for the point booster. So that's 10,000, 4,000 points for this. So they got me at 14,000 and a $4 register reward. So that means that I should get back a total of like $18 worth, and I only paid $10. So that should be like an $8 money maker. So let's go to the register and see. Okay, so my total was $2 more than what I calculated. I don't know. I'd have to sit down and calculate, because I found out my store now closed at what time do they close now? My store now closed at 9, so I only got 15 more minutes to shop. So this was my total, $12.75, which I'm not complaining because of the simple fact. Look, I started with 0, so you can see that I have 0 and 14,000 in points, and then I also got my $4 register reward. And so right now we spent $12. Okay, so let's do the next transaction. We might go a little over because of the fact I miscalculated somewhere in the mix, but all my digitals did come off. So let's do the next transaction. Okay, so we're gonna get 4 of the paintings, the one that's $4.79. We're gonna get 4 of those. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 of these Crest toothbrushes. When you buy 1, you get 3,000 points. We're gonna grab 2 of those. Okay, so we're gonna grab 3 of the Game Day $4.99. When you buy 3, you get 3,000 in points. Okay, we're gonna grab 2 of the pods. When you buy 3 of these PG items, the pods included, the Tide included, fabric softener included, but I'm gonna grab 2 pods and 2 detergent. Okay, so here's the overview for our second transaction. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this is on the promo, buy 3 get 1 free. So we're gonna use our digital coupon for this one, our digital coupon for that one, and then we're gonna use our paper coupon that's in our June, our June PG. Okay, so we're gonna use 1 for that one and 1 for this one. Okay, there's no coupon for this. I adjusted when you buy one, you get 3,000 in points. This right here, when you buy four, you get 4,000 points. They buy one, get one half off. And this is when you buy three, you get 3,000 in points. They $4.99, and we are using 2 of the dollar off coupon. That's in our June. Wait a minute, June 16th. June 9th, retail me not. This was in our June 9th, retail me not. And then we're going to use one digital one. Okay, my total should be like maybe $8. Well, I'm going to roll over $10 in points. My total should be like around $8. Okay, should be roughly around $8. I should get back 6,000 in points for this, 4,000 in points for this, and 3,000 in points for this. So that's 6. Hold on, because I'm rushing. That's why I can't calculate. So that's 6, 4. That's 10. I should get 13,000 in points right back. So let's go to the register and see. And also, I hope I mentioned that I'm using my register reward for the first transaction. Okay, so I am now in my car. Look, I didn't get the chance to lay the stuff out. When I saw that I only had 15 minutes, I was rushing to hurry up and do this deal, because she was looking at the clock every second, and she was like, oh my God. Like, I know she was like, oh my God, because she know I'm a couponer, and she know, we could take a long time at the store. And she was like, oh, like she was looking, but when I say I had my stuff written down, I was running through running. Like you would think I was on a contestants of a show or something. But anyway, but everything came out. I did went over my $20 because, well, I don't really think I did if you think about taxes, okay? And the reason why, I think my other receipts in my other bag somewhere. Okay, but I'm going to put everything out so you can see it. With this one, my subtotal was $18.96 with this. And, taxes was $2.28. But I wasn't going by taxes. I was going basically by, the subtotal. So this was $18.96. Of course, I rolled over $10 in points and paid the $8.96. Now, the other total was, I want to say it was like $12.75. And I paid that out of pocket. So if you add both of this, I probably went over by $2 at the most. But look at this. I got back 13,000 in points, and now I am at 17,470 points. Okay, now I want to when I get home, I'm going to actually spread everything so you can see everything that I got for the good $22 that I spent out of pocket. Everything I got for $22. Okay, so yes, let me go ahead and get home. Okay, so now I am at home. So I set up everything. Don't mind my carpet and everything. But in a way, we're going to pass all of that. I set up everything. And this is everything that we have. Okay? Now, I wanted y'all to get the overview of everything that we have. The reason why I want you to get the overview of everything that we have, because I want you to see what $20 got us. Okay? Now, 20 actually I did go over. It was $21.71 is what I spent out of pocket. I'm only going by the subtotal, not by the I'm not adding the tax, okay? So $21.71, and this is everything we got for $21.71, a total of 20 items. Yes, a total of 20 items. None of these items cost $1. None of them. Okay, that will be a let me see, $21.71 for 20 items is roughly around $1.08 per item. Okay, yeah, roughly around $1.08 per item. None of these items are $1.08. Point blank period. Okay, now for the first transaction that I used my point booster, because I was going to give my point booster to my cousin, but she did not want to spend $15 out of pocket. Even though she was getting like maybe 25,000 in points or something. She was getting over 25,000 in points, but she just didn't want to spend $15 out of pocket. So I did not want that point booster to go to waste. My fiance, he did a card, so I said I would use the point booster on his card just to boost up my points. I mean, just to get some points on his card, okay? And I didn't mind paying $20 out of pocket, really, if I know I can flip it, okay? So all I got for that one, you're going to see the in-store video. But so I'm just going to roughly show what I got for each one. So basically all I got was the 2 of the Pro Health that gave me back 4,000 in points, and then the 2 of the Crest that gave me a $4 register reward, and then I got this right here, and then they gave me back 5,000 in points. So basically, and then I had a 20% off of 20. So that's right there shows the $12.75 is what I paid. I paid it out of pocket, and then this was the first transaction, and showing that I did not have no points. Okay, and I got back on 14,000 in points, really, and then the extra 200. So I got back 14,200 in points just off of this. And so this right here was a money maker actually, because I got a $4 register reward. So this right here was practically a $6 money maker right here. Okay, so then with this I got the Pantene, the Tide, and the and the Gain, and the toothbrushes. Okay, all that was on the second transaction. Okay, so I was gonna get 4,000 points for that. No points for this. It was just a buy 3 get 1 free. 3,000 points for this, and then 3,000 points when you buy one of these. So I just bought 2. Okay, and here is that receipt. Okay, and I had the 30 off of 40 up here too. Okay, so all you got to do is go in the search bar on your app and just type in 30%, and that's how you get that coupon. And as you can see here, that my total was $18.96. I rolled over $10 in points for my first transaction, and I also used that $4 register reward and my digitals. I had coupons. You can see in the in-store video. But as you can see here, you see I rolled over $10 in points, and as you can see here, I got back 13,000 in points right back. Okay, and I paid the I paid the subtotal of the $8.96, and then I got back 13,000 in points. Now I'm at 17,470 in points. I feel like this is well worth the $20. I feel like I did great. I'm walking out with 17,000 in points. So I see where my money went to. I'm loving Walgreen right now because they have the best deals this month. Oh, this month they really have some bomb deals. So I hope this helped for a newbie friendly. Just some ideas that you can do for the start off. Even if you don't do the 30% off of 40, because maybe this is too much for you. Do this right here. This just getting these 3 items and having a point booster, it's a $6 money maker by itself. Just to start off with, you will be paying no more than $12. You will be getting back. How much did I get back? Oh, I can't talk with nothing. You will be getting back 14,000 points plus a $4 register reward to use towards your next transaction. So that's like getting back an extra $6. Okay, so if you don't want to, I would say do just that deal by itself. I think that's an extra 6 because I paid 12, got back 14, extra 2. Yeah, I'm right. I had a whole brain fart. So that's like a $6 money maker if you just want to do this deal by itself. And so anyway, this is Short Mama 757 Couponer. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, like this video, share this video, and do all those things that people tell you to do in the end of the video. And thank you for all my Teen Shorties for sticking with me. And like I said there and said I was not going to use that point booster, and look what happened. I ended up going to the store using that point booster. Anyway, bye.